Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Coder and the bite-sized Python series where we take a look at specific questions and how to tackle them. So I like to share the way that I'm tackling them anyway, and hopefully you guys find it helpful. And in this video we're going to be looking at how to remove an item from a list using its index value. So I would assume that you know the index value that you want to delete, so we'll look at how we can use that to our advantage. So let's create a small list called list 1. We go to 9 on this. Okay, so we've got a list 1 to 9. Just for demonstration's sake, we'll print that list before we move on to our next line. So if, say, you want to remove index 2, which is number 3, so 0, 1, 2, then we can use the delete keyword. So delete, which is del, and then we can do list 1 square brackets, and we can input that index value there, and that index value was 0, 1, 2, so it was 2. And then we will print that list. Okay. We can also delete a slice from a list as well. So we can use the delete keyword, and then we'll do list 1, and say we want to then get rid of 4, 5, and 6, which would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would do list 1 square brackets. So 2, and then we'll do our colon, and no, we want to go from, it would be 2 because the index would change after that's deleted, so it'd be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it won't be inclusive, so we'll do 5, control save, and yes, we'll print that as well, and we'll see the result, and it should give the result that you're looking for. So terminal, new terminal. Let's run this. So python temp.py. Okay, so I'm in the wrong folder here, so let me just move over to the right folder. Python. We want to go to byte size, and there is a capital there. We want to run temp.py. Great, so let's have a look. So there's our initial list that we printed out first, which is here. Should have put these together. So there we go. And then we deleted list 1 index 2, which was 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 should be missing, which it is. And we printed that, which we had just looked at. And then we deleted this slice here too, after we printed that. So we deleted from index 2, 0, 1, 2, up into 1, 3, 4, 5, which is not inclusive. So yeah, we are missing out 4, 5, and 6. So yeah, that's how you can easily remove items from the list using their index, whether you want to do it one at a time or in a batch. Yeah, I hope you found that helpful.